Okay, now I'll show you the inside. The unique feature of this camper is it has the upgraded interior cabinets, cream color, so you can see it's not the same brown as everyone else's camper. It has the double sink, nice size sinks, not the small little one that's useless. 3-burner stove. Also has the oven, microwave, plenty of cupboard space. It has a TV antenna that folds down on the roof. These are the air conditioner ducts I talked about before. It has the pantry and closet. Cutting board that goes over the sink. There's the back door. Another storage area that leads into the bathroom. Shower, toilet, skylight, power exhaust fan, and of course the sink and medicine cabinet. Both beds each has their own fan and light, and each have heated mattresses with control. There's more storage underneath the back bed. It has the refrigerator, freezer, and the entertainment center. It's got LCD TV, AM, FM, CD, DVD. Also has XM satellite radio, surround sound speakers. The dinette, which converts into a bed. There's storage under both seats. The right seat has a pull-through drawer that is accessible from the outside to store your hoses and electric cable and coupler and stuff like that. More cabinets over the dinette. There's the other bunk, storage above the bunk, again with its own fan and heated mattress control. The couch folds down into a bed. More storage underneath the bed or the couch. This also comes with a water filter.